Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your archived conversations in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon or hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on this icon to reveal a list of options and settings available within Messenger. After tapping the menu icon, a sidebar or drop-down menu will appear with several different options. From this list, look for and tap on the option labeled Archive. This is where Facebook Messenger stores all the conversations you've chosen to hide from your main inbox without permanently deleting them. It's a useful feature for keeping your inbox clean while preserving important conversations you might need later. Once you tap on Archive, you'll be taken to a new screen that displays all your archived conversations. Here, you'll see every chat thread that you've previously archived, organized chronologically just like your regular inbox. This gives you complete access to review, reopen, or manage any conversation you've tucked away. You can scroll through this list to find the specific conversation you're looking for. And if you want to bring any of these conversations back to your main inbox, simply tap on the conversation and send a new message, which will automatically unarchive it. And that's it. You've now accessed your archived conversations in Facebook Messenger, giving you the ability to review or restore any chats you've previously hidden. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.